Welcome to Learning English with Leanne, Help with Writing. This video will help you write an opinion essay. People should have less screen time. So we have our topic, people should have less screen time, and we need to start with our introduction. Your introduction needs some background or general information, and then you're going to present different views or different opinions. So you can see these first two sentences talk about the idea of what is screen time, what are we talking about exactly. And then the next sentence we're suggesting that people look at this in a different way, and then we give two different possible opinions about this subject. Next is the body. This is where our opinions come. So we're going to have two paragraphs. Our first paragraph is going to give us our opinion, and then we need to give why we think this. One reason why and two supporting statements. So the reason is health, and then I've supported the idea of health about sitting too long and not exercising. Then I want to add a little bit more detail, so I'm adding another idea about health here. We talk about the health of our eyes. So that makes a nice strong paragraph about health. Then body paragraph 2 is our second reason, and it's about spending time with people and family. Then I have to give details, supporting statements for why this is important. To make connections, to talk with people, and another point is for our communication and understanding. So that makes a second body paragraph about needing to be with people, and two reasons why spending time with people is important. And our last paragraph is our conclusion. This is where you state your opinion again using different words, and you write a short summary, a short form of why you think this. So to start with, you can see my opinion. And why did I say in my body paragraph? Exercise and health and spending time with people. So that makes a nice strong conclusion paragraph. Now when we put all of our paragraphs together, you can see that we have a really nice essay structure. So let's just review some things. So firstly, we have our introduction, and here the first two sentences, stopping here, what are we talking about? What is the subject? The next two sentences, we introduce that people think differently, and we give two different opinions that people have about this topic. Then we have our body paragraph 1, where here comes our opinion. What do we think? And our first reason why. Firstly, and the reason we talk about in this paragraph is health. All those sentences in paragraph support health. Exercise, going outside, our eye health. Then we introduce a new paragraph for our second reason why I have this opinion. Secondly, and you can see this one was about spending time with people. The rest of the sentences in this paragraph only talk about why it's so important to spend time with people. We do not introduce any more ideas. Each idea, each reason why, has its own paragraph. We finish off our writing with our conclusion, so I signal here to sum up, very clearly showing that this is the end. We give our opinion again. We write it differently, but we say the same thing. And then we restate those ideas from our body paragraphs. Why? Because of health and spending time with people. So it's important that we have the right details in the correct place so that we have a good, strong format. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.